We're gonna do that, just like that. Put this over by her. Now we're gonna dump the bees.
Oh, wait, before you dump them, I want to check this out. I want to look at her. Excuse me. Excuse me. Let me in there. Moody butt. You got all the cork out of there? Where is she? Oh, there she is. She got a yellow dot on her back. You guys are awful sweet. See, I told y'all how to do a sweet talk 'em. They sweet babies. Well, hi. That's the board queen. See her? She got a white spot on her back. We may never see her again. So there she is. Hey, she's hiding. No, because I haven't got a good... She's hiding, and we might not get to see her again. So this might be my only opportunity to get her. Hello. Look. They ain't gonna let me. I think I got her, maybe, earlier. Maybe. They're talking to her.
There we go.